Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a van sliding door. First, carefully examine your van sliding door for any obvious signs of damage or objects blocking its path. Next, pay close attention to the rollers and tracks. These are common culprits for door issues. Look for dirt, rust, or worn-out components. Finally, test the latch to confirm it engages and disengages properly, as a faulty latch can prevent smooth operation. This initial inspection is crucial for diagnosing the problem accurately. Once you've identified potential problem areas, it's time for a good cleaning. Use a suitable degreaser and a stiff brush to meticulously clean the entire track system. Make sure to remove all traces of dirt, grime, and old, sticky grease. After cleaning, apply a high-quality silicone-based lubricant to the tracks, rollers, and any other moving parts. This will significantly reduce friction and allow the door to glide much more freely and quietly. If cleaning and lubrication don't fully resolve the issue, you might need to make some adjustments. Check the door's alignment. Often, a slightly misaligned door can cause sticking. You can usually adjust this by loosening and repositioning the mounting bolts. Also, inspect the rollers for wear or damage and replace any that are cracked or broken. Finally, go over all fasteners on the door and track, tightening any that feel loose to ensure everything is secure. For more complex problems, such as internal mechanism failures or significant structural damage, it's often best to consult a professional mechanic. They have the specialized tools and expertise to handle intricate repairs safely. Remember, regular maintenance, including routine cleaning and lubrication, is key to preventing future issues and extending the life of your sliding door. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a great book about money and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.